We're in Denver, Colorado at Intercom's 18th Annual Oil and Gas Conference. I'd like to welcome here Dan Lanskey, the Managing Director at AusTex Oil. Hi, Dan.
Hi, it's great to be here, thank you.
AusTex reported record second quarter production and revenue. Can you highlight some of the achievements from the quarter?
Yes, thanks. We've had another great quarter. We grew 21% on the previous quarter, so that's 3 quarters in a row. Continue to drive oil and gas production in our Oklahoma assets, focused on the Mississippi Lime. Revenue was $3.6 million for the quarter, and we continue to grow our production as we continue to drill our projects.
For those new to the AusTex story, what is your current operational focus and strategy?
We are focused on the Mississippi Lime, which is, we have acreage in Kansas and in Oklahoma. In Oklahoma, we're focused in Kay County, next to Range Resources. We've participated with Range in a number of horizontal wells, and as operator, we're drilling vertical wells, and that's our primary focus to grow production and cash flow.
You had mentioned your Mississippi Lime aspect. Can you talk more about that?
Yes, you'll hear at the conference here a lot of operators are talking about the Mississippi Lime. It's a large play in the middle of Oklahoma and Kansas, covers some 17 million acres of area. We currently own 23,000 net acres in there, and there's a lot of activity. It's very oily where we are, 70% oil, so we're seeing very good economics on the wells we're drilling, and it's exciting times.
What are some of the challenges there for you folks?
We talk about because it's a shallow limestone, it's an old reef system, and we talk about we're in the water moving business. 90% of the fluid we pull from the ground is water. There is a very well regulated disposal system put in place, and so we keep 10% of the fluid as hydrocarbons, and the challenge is managing the water and making sure that we understand the geology of the limestone as it moves and changes in various areas that we drill.
What upcoming catalysts should investors keep an eye out for over the coming quarter as you continue to drill up the Mississippian?
Yeah, there's a number of things that we're working on. We continue to grow our production. We're aiming to get through 1,000 barrels of oil equivalent in the latter part of this year. We're currently negotiating with US banks on a credit facility which will enable us to accelerate our drilling program. As an Australian listed stock exchange company, we struggle to get recognition up here, and one of the things we're doing is working more and more on our investor relations in North America. We are an American company, just happen to be listed in Australia is how I view it. Everybody in our Oklahoma office is out of the US, and I'm the only Australian on the payroll. So it's exciting times as we look forward to growing the company over the next 6 months.
Well, Dan, it's been a pleasure to have you here, and we really appreciate your time.
Thank you.
I'm Quinn Nguyen for oilandgas360.com.